Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I just got in a new package from Kiara Sky. So I'm just going to be doing a quick unboxing for you guys to show you the products that I got. So open it up, and in the box it has the big Kiara Sky logo. If you ever order from Kiara Sky, you know how their products come. It's always beautifully packaged. The branding is amazing. So in the box, because everybody knows that if you had purchased the jelly tip kits between March 30th and like early April, a lot of your orders were canceled because they just ran out of products. So luckily we got a VIP special treatment, or VIB, however they posted it in the emails, where they were allowing those orders to be priority. That way we can get our products that we've been waiting on. So luckily mine came in today, and I'm gonna show you the things that I got. So first I had got the, I'm gonna call it the big package or whatever, and that comes with 2 petty packs, the jelly tip starter kit, and the light, and also 2 gel polishes, and then they gave us an extra gel polish for free. And I also got two actually gel polishes for free, and I also picked up a gel top coat. So the first thing I have here, which would be one of the petty packs, and this is in the scent Tropical Colada. I'm sure everyone has seen these, where they come with the bath bomb, the scrub, the mask, and the lotion. So like I said, I got that in Tropical Colada. And then the next scent I got is Orange You're Pretty. I thought these scents were perfect for the summertime. So the next thing that I picked up is the rub-on applicator for your chrome and hollow powders. And of course you can get the applicator without getting some hollow or chrome powder. So I got this hollow powder, really pretty, and this one is in the shade Disco Ball. So that is really pretty. And then of course we're gonna go to the gel polishes. So the 2 ones that they gave us for free, which would be this color Smitten and Totally Whipped. And then with my package I got Caution, and I got Soho. And then I also picked up a new velvet matte top coat. That's what that is. I can't swirl it around because I just don't feel like taking it out the boxes. And then on to the main attraction, which happens to be the jelly tips. Now I was kind of conflicted on what size or shape that I wanted to get, because at first when I first ordered them I wanted to get them in the coffin long, but I just opted for the coffin medium because it's just a little bit more practical for me. I don't usually wear super long nails, so to get super long nails when I don't wear them is just doesn't make any sense, you know. So I just end up picking up the coffin medium, and of course it comes with the whole entire kit. You get the prep, the primer, the builder, and the top coat, and then you also get the Beyond Pro Flash Care LED lamp, which I'm super excited to use this because I've only been using, of course, my one that I got from Amazon, and I've been doing like dupe nails for, well, at the time it was just the Prey set, but since Kiara Sky comes out with their own system, it could be in a dupe for the Kiara Sky and the Prey systems. So that's just what I was using, and it's kind of hard to use a full-size LED UV lamp to do these gel tip extensions. So I'm super excited to get this. And I was thinking about purchasing the Prey system as well, but watching the reviews, just using their lamp just seems a little bit more difficult, especially when you do nails on yourself. So I'm super excited that Kiara Sky came out with a lamp like this that lets you put your finger or hands in all different angles, so it's more comfortable, excuse me, and that way you can get a perfect application. So I am super excited about using this kit. This coming weekend I'll probably be testing these out on my friends, so hopefully they trust me enough to actually do this system on them, and I'm super excited to do the system on myself. And I'm really excited to actually use these petty packs because I was supposed to be doing a full pedicure on my mom, because I usually do her pedicures now, since I've been doing my nails for over a year now. No way am I licensed. I'm not a licensed nail tech. I'm just a nail enthusiast, and I would like to be a nail tech. So, but before I venture into nail school, I decided, you know, just kind of take a crack at it and myself to see if that's something that I really want to do. Either way, if I do or if I don't, I'll still end up doing my own nails, because I like doing my own nails. It's very therapeutic for me, and it lets me be creative, you know, get those creative juices flowing that I never use, but now it gives me a chance to use them, if that makes sense. So, like I said, I wanted to use these on my mom, but I didn't get a chance to, because of course the orders got canceled. So I'm super excited that I have it in now. So when we do a fresh pedicure on her soon, I'll be able to use these piggybacks. So I'm super excited. So once again, guys, this is a unboxing, just showing you the things. Ooh, that was loud. Showing you the things that I got from Kiara Sky. I've been purchasing from Kiara Sky for a while now, since I started doing my own nails, and I wanted to pick a professional brand. I just like their branding and their products. Let me shift over. As you can see, this is my Kiara Sky wall with all my gel polishes, my dip stuff in the back, all my dip powders, the swatch kit, and I just have these random acrylic holder cases for my jewels and stuff. But yeah, this is not and a face mask. But these are the powders that I have now, and I do want to extend my collection. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching, and I will probably do a new video with me actually using the jelly sets. So thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.